Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Manny B Investing in BI, and I was in the Indigo protocol Discord. I was looking at the Indigo DAO governance chat. I was looking to see if there was any potential proposals that were going to be coming up, because we want to make sure that we are participating in governance, in staking, and voting, so that we can continue to get these amazing rewards. So, and I came across this conversation February 6, 2023. Also, most of the indie rewards, so let's see, maybe he was responding. I don't know who this guy was responding to. These conversations happen over days, periods of time. But let's take a look. All right. Also, most of the indie rewards are going to phase out at a certain point, 5 years or so. ADA rewards are what makes the protocol profitable long term. So yeah, the indie, they're going to eventually, the indie that is for the community distribution is going to run out. That's inevitable. So it's always good to get in the beginning. That's why a lot of people that showed up in crypto years and years and years later, after Ethereum had launched, all these protocols that were out there, like their programs were like coming to an end, or at the tail end of the program, where a lot of the supply was in the wild, and those programs were spinning down. So it wasn't a good deal for a lot of people that got in the game late. With Cardano, we're early. These protocols are just launching. Getting the rewards from them is really good. So that's why I'm here. That's why I'm doing this. But if the TVL is about 1 to 2 billion, the revenue will be sufficient. And somebody says, is 1 billion realistic? 1 billion ADA or $1 billion? Good question. It says this person he's responding to is 1 billion realistic. MakerDAO is at 7 billion. ETH is at 197 billion. I think they're talking about market cap. ADA is at 13 billion. So relatively would be 500 million at current market and 1 billion in bull market. And some people liked it. Right now we are around 40 million ADA TVL. If ADA reaches all-time high, that would mean 126 million. In my opinion, 1 billion US is just a matter of time during a bull market. Of course, I'm smoking some serious hopium though. LOL. And okay. 1 billion. I mean, that seems high. 1 billion TVL with 50 million turnover, i.e. mint burn, will mean 1 million of daily fees. That is a lot of freaking money in fees. Just speculation, of course, but I can see TVL of 400 million ADA. Who knows how much further from all-time high will ADA perform? 365 million yearly fees. That would give it 5x pre ratio, and we would get 1.8 billion indie market cap. Even if we do half of that, it's still 20x indie's current FDV, I think. The only thing it takes is making sure nothing breaks until we get there. That's the big, like, hacks, things breaking, pulling a liquid, getting bad press, having the community look down and bad on you. That will, I mean, it's just like any company, any brand, that will tank you. That will tank you. So far, so good. Indigo's doing a pretty good job. Liquid, on the other hand, doesn't seem to be doing such an amazing job at that. But let's just play around with some numbers here. Let's go ahead and switch over to the browser here. So we got 41.27 million ADA, and they're talking 16 million USD in value. Not bad, not bad. When they're talking about in a bull market, what's that going to look like? So first we need to take a look at the circulating supply currently. All right. About 3 million market cap. So what are they talking about? What will we need to get to a billion? 10, that's 30, 20, 400, 380, 50, 40, 340. What do we got? 206, something like that. How many tokens do I have? 210. 210. Granted, the circulating supply is going to be completely different. They said half of that, right? Let's do half at like 340. Let's do like 150. 60, 70. 164. 210 tokens. Circulating supply is going to be a lot higher than that. Let's just go. Let's say that's like 10. Let's say like 15 million. I don't even know if it's going to be that high. Next bear market, I don't think it's going to be that high. It'll probably be somewhere like, maybe in there, maybe somewhere. Maybe up in there. That's not bad. It's not a bad return. My average is like 2 ADA per token because of the free tokens, but that's where it comes in at. Like, if you can put very little money, like very little of that value, I didn't pay that much for these tokens. I kept the free ones, right? When I should have sold them out the gate, I probably should have sold them. I'd have way more. I probably have over like 400 tokens right now if I did that. I've been buying low and selling them when it goes up, and then buying back when the market goes back down. I've been just kind of doing that, taking my time, being patient. And my value, I don't even think I've spent $200 on indie tokens. So that is, how you create those moon bags and how you get your value out of it. $16,000, and I might be completely wrong on the circulating supply. We're talking about 500 million market cap here. You're looking at about $80 a token. I think that's a realistic target. I know some people are like, yeah, my goal is 1,000 tokens. Yeah, you're looking at it close to 100,000, maybe. But for us broke boys, us grinders, right? Or people that, they don't really need to dump all their money, their real world money into crypto because they're doing all right. People that are just scared, just have a low risk tolerance. 200, maybe we push that goal to 300, which, might be reasonable. It just depends. I think at 250, I'm going to sell some and wait. Not a ton, but I'm going to sell a little bit. That'll put us, I think I'll be able to buy back in. If things pump, other things start pumping, then I might be able to, if I feel like, we're going up, just parabolic rise, then, it is what it is. I might sit on my hands in the bull market, just live with what I got. We made the mistake on AGIX. We sold that like 2 weeks early. If we would have kept that, man, we would have been flush with cash. But hey, things happen, right? Got impatient, was excited about Indy. I'm using Indy. I'm not doing anything with AGIX. AGIX is pumped because of news on artificial intelligence. I don't honestly think this is something that's sustainable. I could be a bear. I could be bitter. Who knows? I don't think so. I don't really feel bad about it. It's whatever. I just feel like the rise is like sentiment. People are bought in because of sentiment. Artificial intelligence is like the wave right now. That's all you see on tech news, business news. They're constantly talking about GPT and Microsoft and Google's, AI war. So anything that's AI, whether it be traditional stock or in crypto, is up. It's pumping, and that's what's going on with AGIX. I wouldn't buy it. I'm not going to buy it. I'll buy it low. Not going to buy it at these prices. It's ridiculous. There's a good opportunity for a retracement on that. You never know. But I mean, we could be in a bull market. Everything could be going parabolic around the corner. Who knows? Or we have a rocky road ahead all 2023. And then maybe in 2024, we get an explosion. That's possible. No one really knows. This is all speculation here. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at. This is what's possible, I guess. I'm just going to take it slow. I'm going to learn the protocol. I'm going to look for governance proposals to vote on when they arrive. Right now, there's nothing. We've got nothing right now. Yeah, they're all pass, 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 pass. You know, yeah, it is what it is. But we will stay on the hunt and keep looking at discussion, keep seeing what people are talking about in the Discord, and keep those conversations going. But it's a lot of hopium here, I think. I think a realistic, they're saying a realistic in a bull market's 500 million. I mean, I'd be happy with 250. 250 would make me happy. I'd be all right with that. Probably take some good profits and probably roll back into ADA, maybe, and then wait and get back into Indy and just keep going. Just being smart. This cycle is what I am focused on, making the right moves, making the smart moves, not regretting our decisions, and just being patient and taking our time. So that's what I'm going to continue to do with Indy and all my other holdings. So thank you for checking out the video. Make sure you hit that like, hit that share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.